Hi, I'm Evan and welcome to the Canvas Tutorial Show. On today's Getting Started episode, we're going to look at modules. I call modules the backbone of the curated student experience. I'll go into detail about what that means, how do you create modules, and we'll just work through it a little bit. Let's get started. So, I have open here my sandbox and I've already created 2 modules, and all I've done really is I've thrown in each type, a course item type, assignments, quizzes, files, discussion posts, etc. And so this is a contained unit. You can think of a module as a folder, or you could think of Canvas as the whole book and a module as a chapter in that book, and then each individual course item type as a page. You could even go further with that analogy and say that inside the course type, as you are laying out your content, sections, if you have, say, heading 2, heading 2, heading 2, that each one of those headings is a section on a page. So that idea of drilling in further and further, of organizing your content. But what makes modules great and how they're different than just, say, your assignment index page or your pages index page or your quizzes index page is that this is a curated experience. When you think of curation, you go to the museum. They don't just put every single item that they have thrown on shelves that has ever been donated or discovered. They decide what goes on the museum shelves. They even give you a description, and they are building the experience. That's what modules do, is that if you use modules well, you are building the student experience. The order that you choose to put these items in, okay, so I can grab it and reordering it by grabbing that icon right there, they're going to progress through those items using the next button. And none of these files have any content on them, but you can see, there it is, right here at the bottom, right and left, you will find next and previous buttons. Again, it's a curated experience. They're going to go through the flow that I want them to go through. Okay, so that's the basics of what modules are. Just really quickly, how do you create a module? Well, all you do is you click up here in this blue button. If you haven't created any modules, then there will be a big section here that says create module. So you click module, you give it a name. I'll go over like good naming conventions on a different video. Let's see, let's call this one, we did DNA, let's do cell structure. Why not? Got to bring that science in there. Okay, and it always puts the new one down at the bottom, and then you're able to start putting your items in. Okay, and just going in and finding files or creating new files. So on this video, we looked at basically what are modules. And again, modules are those curated experience. There's so much more we can do on modules. For example, we can lock content. We can make certain things requirements or prerequisites, and reorder, duplicate. There's tons that we can do. We'll do those in other videos. I just wanted to keep it with the basics today. As always, if you have not followed the show at Canvas Tuts, make sure you join the community, the Canvas Tutorials community. Again, just type in at Canvas Tuts and you can find it. And if you found this video helpful or any of our other videos, make sure that you hit that share button, share it out with your colleagues so that everybody gets the goodness. Have a great day.